Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to be teaching you how to play 2.9 Miles by Boywithuke. It's one of his older ones, but it's a really easy one to start with if you're new to playing ukulele, and it's really fun and soothing to play. So, yeah, that's the song we're going to do this week. Huh? Oh. Okay, so this song is I'm going to say it's a beginner song because there's no bar chords, so you guys don't have to worry about that. I know some songs have bar chords and you guys kind of freak out a little bit because they are kind of awkward to play, but this one has a lot of basic chords. I think there's only 5 different chords, maybe just 4. It's C, A, F, G. Yeah, so it's just 4 different chords, and they're mostly played in the same order, but they're played slightly differently in the different parts, and there's only 3 different parts to this song. So let's go ahead and go over the chords, and then we'll go over the different strumming patterns in the different parts. Alright, so I looked back. There's 5 different chords, but they're all still easy chords. So we're going to start from the beginning and kind of go through them, and this is the same order that you play them most of the way through. So the first chord is a C, which is just this bottom string on the 3rd fret. The next chord is an E minor, which is your pointer finger on this last string 2nd fret, your ring finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd string 4th fret. The chord after that is an A minor, which is just your middle finger on this top string 2nd fret. Then the chord after that is an F, so it's still your middle finger on this top string 2nd fret. Then you put your pointer finger on the 3rd string 1st fret. The chord after that again is C, which we've already done. And then the chord after that is a G. And I like to play it this way, where I put my middle finger on the bottom string 2nd fret, my ring finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and my pointer finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret. And those are all the chords for this song, so no bar chords, nice and easy. Now let's go over the 3 different strumming patterns. Okay, so the first strumming pattern is just a nice and slow down, down, up, down, up. And that's kind of what he plays for the majority of the song. And for that, it is going to be C, and then E minor, and then A minor twice. And then F, and then C, and then G twice. And that's it for that strumming pattern. Then the next strumming pattern is just a down strum, and for that one it's C, E minor, A minor, and then it's F, C, G. And this is the only one that's slightly different in the chords because you go through the same way, but instead of playing like A minor twice when you're strumming, you just play it once, but you go all the way through and there's almost no pauses. So the strumming pattern is a down, down, mute, and that's the way that I like to do it, down, down, mute. But you can obviously mute it and strum however you want, but it sounds like this. So you start with C, then E minor, then A minor, then F, then C, then G, and then C again. And then it goes, aww. And then you would go back to the strumming. So we're going to go ahead and try to play through a little bit of that so you guys can see what it sounds like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. To be outside, 'cause I don't mind. I got room and I got time for you. Instead of being so cold, you could stay and we could binge watch movies night and day. I don't want you to be little baby noises in. I hope that helped you guys learn how to play 2.9 Miles by Boywithuke. It's a really easy, nice beginner song, and it's really calm and just kind of a chill vibe to play. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. See you later. A creature with two heads, sleeping into beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?